Hi, and welcome to this best practice video for grading in Jevero. So today we're starting with a user feedback, and the question would be, how do we upgrade our pattern if we want to change, say that we have it, make it too small, and we want to shift the size. In this case, my sample size is 8, and I want to shift the pattern to 9 and make the 9 become 8. So we're gonna kind of shift the gradient table. And how do we do that? We start first by saving our grading table at the moment, and I'm gonna call it table 1. Replace it, yes. Now what I want to do, I want to upgrade the pattern by using a right click on the pattern grading panel that I can always bring it back with my gear icon here. Go to pattern grading. Now I go to 9, to size 9, and here I right click, set as sample size, and as you have seen, the model increase its size. But now of course the sample size is 9, it's not anymore 8. So what we want to do is we want to bring back the old grading table, bring it back, table 1, I open it up, I don't care about grading center, and now I have my sample size has been set back to 8. But to finish it up and properly do it, we need to make sure that the measurements are correct. And to make sure that, we can go here and check it out by using this tools, and then the same goes for the strobel sole, and we are there. And now everything is on the correct size and has been regenerated according to our increments. So we can also check the increments by going to the increment dialog box, and here say that, for example, we want to set a smaller increment for from, let's make it like that, from 4 to 6. I'm setting 4 millimeters of increment for the upper and 1.2, and now the same goes for the sole. Okay, doing something like this, 3.7 and 1.0. If I want, for example, to change, when I click OK, the grade table is updated with the right measurement. As you can see now, this is going every 4 millimeters. And like this, we have upgraded, we have changed our grading table, we have specific increments. I bring them back with this button on the J pattern grade toolbar, and I can set the increments per size, and I can always change and regenerate. Oh, sorry. This is for, I can regenerate, of course, overriding a gradient table, but I can modify a gradient table if I need to change the measurements. I can always do it here, or I can directly change the measurement in the gradient table. But say that now I want to do something different. I want to have a gradient table that is half of it with a kids sizes and half of it is not kids sizes. So what I can do is I'm gonna clean this gradient table up and create a new one, and I'm using my UK preset and say that I want to start from 10 kids, so I'm gonna add a K. I'm gonna have 11.5 as a sample size, and say it goes through 14, and There it goes. Now I have, say that I want to arrive at 12 with kids, and now I want to start having 1, then I want to have 1.5, and then I want to have 2 and 2.5, and I want also to have 3, so I'm going to add a size after. I'm going to call this 3. And now I want to add another size after, it's going to be 3.5. And now I have generated my grading table. So I generated it with the K all the way down to 14, and now it changed, and I can change of course always the name of the size, so that now it goes 10 for kids, it goes up to 12 for kids, and they start from 1 and goes up to 3.5. And this is a very useful workflow. So if you're doing something for kids sizes and it's not really, it's halfway through, so you can generate the table and then edit it so that it's gonna be correctly put.